Which car horn is actually loud enough to get noticed? It's a simple question, but to find the best options, you need to explore a bit. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Farbin Loud Dual-Tone Horn. First up is the Farbin horn, which caught my eye with its sleek black design and the promise of a whopping 130 dB loudness for just $17.49. If you want a horn that truly gets attention, this is worth a serious look. The 130 dB output means it's hard to ignore, making it a great solution for emergencies on the road. Whether you're in a passenger car, truck, or even an ATV, this horn is universally compatible. It runs on a 12V power supply and surprisingly has low power consumption, so you won't drain your battery. The waterproof design adds peace of mind, especially if you're in unpredictable weather. With over 2,600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear many are satisfied with its performance. Now, some users mentioned that the installation could be tricky for those unfamiliar with car electronics. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic wiring, it's a manageable task. Plus, the benefit of having a loud horn that enhances your safety on the road is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you drive various 12V vehicles and want a reliable, loud horn. Skip this if you prefer a quieter sound or aren't comfortable with installation. Now, if the Farbin's installation concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, A Premium Snail Horn. Next is the A Premium Snail Horn, priced at $14.99 and boasting a respectable 110 dB. This best-selling option is a great pick if you're looking for something powerful yet affordable. What I love about this horn is its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles from cars to motorcycles. The precise design ensures a solid installation, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. It's made of durable ABS material, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions. Plus, the copper plug enhances conductivity for a louder sound. With over 330 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear this horn is well received. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit too quiet for larger vehicles. But honestly, 110 dB is still significant enough for most typical driving situations. If you're driving something bigger or just want more volume, you might want to consider higher options. This is a great choice for anyone needing a solid horn at a budget-friendly price. Skip this if you need a louder sound for heavy-duty vehicles. It's a solid value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a louder sound. Product number 3, SYOUTO Loud Car Horn. Now we have the SYOUTO Car Horn, available at $16.99, and it delivers an impressive 120 dB. If you want something that really demands attention, this is a solid choice. The loudness here can make a significant difference on the road, giving you confidence when you need to alert other drivers. It's designed with a high mounting bracket and a pure copper spiral coil, which means it's built for durability and performance. The quick installation feature makes it user-friendly, and it fits a variety of 12V vehicles, making it versatile. With around 3,000 reviews and a steady 4.4-star rating, it seems to be a hit among users. Some users have mentioned that the sound quality could be sharper. But here's the thing, the volume is more critical, especially in emergency situations. You're getting a horn that's loud enough to keep you safe on the road, and that's what really counts. This one's perfect for drivers who want an affordable yet powerful horn. Skip it if you're looking for something with a more refined sound quality. If you're after truly loud horns, the next option is definitely for you. Product number 4, GAMPRO 150 dB Air Horn. Next up is the GAMPRO 12V Air Horn, priced at $28.99 and boasting an incredible 150 dB of sound. If you really want to alert everyone around you, this horn does just that. What stands out here is the chrome-plated zinc construction and the all-copper air compressor that can reach 5,000 revolutions per minute. This means not only is it loud, but it delivers a clear and powerful sound. It's suitable for all kinds of 12V vehicles, from trucks to boats. Installation is straightforward thanks to included wiring kits. With nearly 4,700 reviews and a strong 4.4-star rating, it's clear users appreciate its loudness and reliability. However, some buyers reported that the compressor can be a bit bulky to fit in tighter spaces. But honestly, if you're after a horn that delivers serious sound, it's a small trade-off for the volume and clarity you get. This horn is great for those who need maximum loudness for larger vehicles or off-road applications. Skip this if you have limited installation space or prefer a more compact horn. Now, if you want a dual option, the final choice might catch your interest. Product number 5, A Premium Dual Snail Horn. Finally, we have the A Premium Dual Snail Horn, priced at $16.99 and rated at 110 dB. This horn is designed to give you versatility with its dual tone feature. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and offers a solid installation thanks to its precise structural design. The dual tone allows for a richer sound, which can be more effective at getting attention on the road. Plus, the ABS material ensures it's durable against the elements. With 417 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, users seem to appreciate its performance. However, some users mentioned that the sound can be too soft for heavy-duty trucks. But here's the thing. For standard passenger vehicles, it delivers a satisfying volume that's still quite effective. This horn is perfect for anyone wanting a reliable horn that offers a good mix of sound and durability. Skip it if you're looking for something specifically tailored for larger vehicles. With that, we've covered a range of powerful options that cater to different needs and budgets. So, to recap, the Farben horn gives you great loudness at a budget price. The A Premium Snail horn is a solid choice for versatility. The SVUTO horn offers powerful volume. The Gampro Air horn is unbeatable for loudness, and the A Premium Dual Snail horn gives you dual tones for more impact. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you need. Thanks for tuning in.